welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Megalook hair once more. So let's get into what we got today. So I got this drawstring bag on the inside with everything. So of course I'm seeing the wig first, which we're gonna get into. Then I also got a goodie bag, which that's the next thing in the bag. I got a branded Megalook elastic band. I also got a pair of lashes, a edge brush and comb. I got this clip, which is, you know, you can use this for styling purposes. It's really cute. It's like a pearl vibe. And then lastly, in the goodie bag, I have a pair of HD wig caps. This is a super deal, they say. So this is Megalook Salon-Quality luxurious glueless 6x5 HD lace closure silky straight wear and go wig. It's a wear and go wig, guys. Let me tell you, pulling this out of the packaging, I'm in awe. I don't know if it translates on screen. I know you're probably like, oh, it's another regular straight wig. I listen, it's like butter. Immediately, the salon quality, that luxurious salon quality they mention in the title, it's definitely giving that. It has this beautiful blunt cut at the end, and it's to die for. The feeling of this wig is immaculate. Immaculate. It feels so good. The hairline, it's already pre-plucked, it's pre-cut. As I said, it's a wear and go. It's so well constructed. And I told you guys this in a previous video. Megalook has upped their game tremendously. Tremendously. I cannot even lie. Like, this wig feels so good. Like, this is gonna offer security. This extra elastic band added on the inside of the cap, which I always love having for my wear and go wigs. It makes it so easy to with the whole glueless experience. And then there is just one comb in the back here for extra security, and it's a dome cap construction. It's nicely constructed, and the lace is already bleached and everything. It's so nicely done. I am so excited to go ahead and do this quick and easy install for you guys. I am completely in awe with the quality of this wig. So beautiful. It feels so good, man. Yo, let's get to it. Right off the bat, without even running a comb through the wig, this is it. Right out of the packaging, straight out of the packaging, like flawless. I love the clean girl vibe. It's giving that clean girl aesthetic already. Mind you, I don't fix the lace or anything, but this is how it lays straight out of the packaging. So, you know, that bit of a cast, you know, right when you get a brand new glueless wig, that cast that it will have. But that's nothing that can't be fixed, and that's what I'm gonna get into right now. Guys, this is the movement. This is going into my go-to right away. It's going into my little personal wig go-to section. This is one of them wigs for sure. It's so full. I love the density. Guys, please check down below for the specific density and the length. It's giving full of life. You know, you want that straight look sometime, but you don't want it to look too thin or limp. This is your wig. This is your wig for sure. I am so obsessed with the quality. I'm obsessed. So there's just a tiny bit of the lace that has absolutely no hair on it, so I'm going to cut away that portion so I can minimize the cast. You see, that really helps with that. Yeah, so all I need to do now is go in with just a little bit of my face powder just to blend that down really nicely. And it's so easy and to the point. If it's your very first time trying a wig out, I know this experience would be like so easy for you. It will be very easy. Take my word for it, like you're seeing it in front of your eyes. You don't need any swoops, you don't need any baby hairs. All of that is totally up to you. It's just a preference thing. You guys know I love my swoops and my baby hairs, but for the sake of just, you know, kind of keeping things super minimalistic these days, I'll give you most of my wig looks without any swoops or baby hairs. I'll just throw it in there here and there. I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm going to, even though it's already so perfect, I'm just gonna lightly run over it with my flat iron.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did by fault and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you can talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that careful. Like the baba fly, yo, my eye, yo, don't cry, yo. I need go and shadow, shadow. I need go and shadow, shadow. I need go and shadow, shadow. I need go and shadow, 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 shadow. I need go and shadow, shadow. I need go and shadow, shadow. I need go and shadow, 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 shadow. I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in PETITE-SUE. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in PETITE-SUE. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't last. Now everybody go to breakfast. I have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a see, but the bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, oh, bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, push it ready, yeah, in my day, the ball, see, kilo fat, why now,
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just give the front a little bit of layers so it kind of falls and frame my face a little bit better. But so far that's pretty much it, guys. That is it. This is the only thing I'm throwing in there because, you know, I just want to add a little razzle dazzle. But guys, this is definitely 100% salon quality. This have me feeling like I literally went to the hairdresser. Like, it's so good. Oh my god. And then I just get my flat iron and kind of just give it a bit of a bump. Oh yeah, this is This is perfect. Perfect. This is perfection. I'm gonna just go ahead and say this is the best, I want to say, blunt cut straight wig that I've ever received. This is truly what they say this is. Salon-Quality on 1,000. Like, it never offers a perfect. It's literally perfect. Perfection. Megalook, you did it. Shout out to Megalook. This is it, guys. This is the wig you've been looking for. Yeah, simply put, this is the wig you've been looking for. I can't wait to go ahead and like, I can't wait to get cute and dress up with this wig. This just make you feel like, oh my gosh, that girl. You guys see for yourself. The wig is a 10. I highly recommend. It's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. If you get this wig, trust me, you're getting your money's worth. This, I'd be so happy. Absolutely no shedding, by the way, so I love that. Barely any flyaways. It really doesn't have a lot of flyaways. It doesn't have that dry feeling at all. Not brittle at all. I think that's what really makes it have that like luxurious feeling. I don't know what it is that they use for this wig, but something about the hair quality just feels so different than the average straight wig that I'll deal with on a daily basis. It is perfect. Them find the formula, them understand the assignment. So I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications, so please go ahead, check that out. That's it for today's wig look. Let me know how you guys like it. Let me know down below in the comments section. And yeah, that's it. That's all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.